There are many different ways in which tea is harvested in Japan. There's a hand picking method. There are several machines that are used for harvesting, and in this video I want to show you several of the machines that are in use. First, have a look at this video where I had the opportunity to handle one of the machines that you ride over the lanes of tea bushes to pick the tea leaf. The next video is an image of the handheld harvester, which is much more labor intensive than the one you can just sit on. It has to be handled by two persons, and there's a third person to keep the bag in place in which the tea leaf is collected. Have a look.